The goal is to be paddling parallel down the side of your boat. About shoulder width apart on your grip is good. Just hold on loosely. Paddle from your hips is where your power is coming from.
We're doing 2 kayak tours today. One towards the head of the bay, a short one, then another one way up the bay to sand dollar beds. And both of them are looking at the ecology of the bay. It's a great trip for both novice and experts. Okay, I just pulled out a crab. Anybody know whether this is a male or female?
Female.
Female. Who says female? You're right. Oh, there it is.
Sand shrimp.
See all these little holes here? Most of them are caused by this sand shrimp or ghost shrimp.
These are all gaper holes, so come on over here and take a look at this. And we'll dig one gaper.
Whoa. That's a big guy.
Oh, we got a little baby sand dollar.
Aw.
Brand new baby sand dollar. We have, of course, our little Dungeness crabs. We have a little sculpin right here. So we're just gonna go explore.
Explore nature. Responsible recreation for the outdoor enthusiast. Join the fun.